to the ArcMate channel. Today, we'll go over our Orang-U-Tongs Grippy tool. Our new design features a rotating head, a strong tooth to pick up hard-to-reach items, as well as a collapsing design. To collapse your tool, start by grabbing the orange slip joint with one hand and the lower shaft with the other hand. Slide the slip joint back toward the handle, and the tool should now collapse for easy storage. To put the tool back together, simply align the two shafts and slide the slip joint toward the fingers or head of the tool. Another feature of our tool is the sturdy tooth at the end of the fingers. This tooth can be used to grab hard-to-reach items out of small spaces, such as digging a cigarette butt out of a sidewalk crack. The Grippy also features a rotating head. In order to rotate the head, start by gripping the head and the shaft with opposite hands. Pull your hands apart and rotate the head 90 degrees in either direction. Push your hands back together to lock the head back into place, and now the tool's fingers are facing a different direction. If you have any questions about these tools, please feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.